An international health alert has intensified after a deadly ants virus outbreak aboard the Dutch luxury expedition vessel MV Hondius triggered global biosurveillance measures. The cruise ship, currently under international scrutiny, reportedly carried 2 Indian nationals among its crew members. According to official statements, both individuals were evacuated to the Netherlands under quarantine protocols and are currently asymptomatic. In response, India's medical establishment has activated an extensive surveillance mechanism led by the Indian Council of Medical Research, or ICMR. Authorities have placed a network of 165 specialized laboratories on alert to monitor any possible entry of the virus into the country. Unlike most hantaviruses, the ant strain has raised concern among global scientists because of its rare but documented ability to spread from human to human. Experts say the confined environment of a cruise ship increases the risk of transmission, prompting enhanced international monitoring efforts. At the center of India's response is advanced RT-PCR testing technology designed to detect the virus during its earliest stages. Health officials are also using differential diagnosis systems to distinguish symptoms from illnesses such as dengue, influenza, and other viral infections. Meanwhile, global medical agencies continue tracking the situation closely as authorities investigate possible exposure routes aboard the vessel. The outbreak has renewed concerns about emerging zoonotic diseases and the growing threat posed by global traveling infections. Indian health authorities maintain that there are currently no confirmed hantavirus cases within the country and describe the ongoing monitoring operation as a precautionary measure. As investigations continue, the MV Hondius outbreak is now being viewed as a major test of international outbreak preparedness and global biosurveillance systems. Stay tuned with WOMnews.in for more details.